This is just a quickie. I wanted to tell you that my Let Them Eat Magical Toasty Bread makes, oh my God, breadcrumbs. They're just really like super crispy. I mean, you can't get them all toasted evenly, but they're perfect. They're not crumbly, like too overly crispy, but they're just light. They're light and toasty as the bread is when you toast it. So there you go. Croutons, and what I did is I made the loaf last night, and you'll all be shocked to know that I actually baked it in the machine. Then I cut it up into cubes as best I could, and they're not super uniform, and I really don't care. I let them dry out overnight, and then I poured melted butter and a little grapeseed oil and some garlic powder and some Lawry seasoned salt over them, mixed them up really well, put the oven on to 400. What did I do? I set the timer every 5 minutes and, rotated them with a big spatula. Took about maybe 12 to 15 minutes. They are perfect. They are super flavorful and wonderful. And there you go, croutons.